Yo, what's up guys? My name is Shankay B. Flores and we're gonna play Plug and Play, guys. So, here we go. So, let's start in the first level. Here we go. So, itong nilalaro, yan. Yung nilalaro ni Gloco, yan. Yan yung pinapanood ko yan. So, it just plug and we start the game now. Plug and play, guys. Airplanes coming up. Balik. Yan yung pinanood ko yung kay Gloco. Balik. Op siya. Op. Clear. Ayan, buhay na naman siya ulit. Then, go left and not right, okay? Just go left and... pag pumunta kang right. Sige nga, subukan lang ako. Another one. Come on. Balik. And, balik roon. Ayan. Nabagot again. Try natin. Mukha siyang naano ng bagyo, no? Yan. Another yan. Donut. You're right. Pasa rin. Pasa mo. Hey, ipasa ko sa'yo. Ay, hindi sa'yo. Yo. Magkahilaan sila. Sige, lapit pa. Araw naman ng gabi, lumalapit naman kayo sa isang tahanan. Mukha kayo mga... tinulak niya. Another tinulak. Bakit ko nabagot? God damn it. Yan. They killing each other on the line. Dali. May saksakan pala dito. Ayan. Saksak rito. Ayan. Ano? Binaba niya yung saksakan. Saksak naman. Dito. Ala, tatais siya. Uy. Bakal na tae. Yak. Kunin mo roon. Hanggang roon. Ayan. Sutin mo na. There we go. Another switch. Let's see. There we go. Another switch. Where is it? Ayun. Okay. Kausap natin yun.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you know me?
I know you.
I don't know you.
I know.
You do?
I do.
You do.
Do you?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Kita mo? Kamulit lang kasi mag-interview ng iba dyan eh. Ayan na namang isa.
Do you love me?
I don't know.
I love you.
I don't think I love you.
I love you.
I think you don't love me.
I know I love you.
I'm not sure.
I do love you.
I do love you.
I don't.
It hurts.
I'm leaving.
Kita mo, sa part 2 pa lang. Kamuritan nila kasi eh. Kamuritan kasi yung mga ito, kaya another plug. Then, what now? Okay. Oh, no but. So, here. Hug. Sige, dali, maglapit kayo. Then, and then, oh yan! Nagsindi na siya, guys. Ay, another one. Samahin natin sila. Here na. Alam nyo, guys, mas mahirapan kang ano yun itong mga ito. Kailangan pa ng isa para magsindi ulit ng ilaw, no? So, we just move and turn around. Take rounds. Oh. Take rounds. No. Oh, come on. Baka kayo sumananayin. Ayan, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Lapit, lapit, and ayan, nagsindi na. Sindin pa natin yung isa dito. Yan. 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 Tapos na, ulitin natin. At, oh! 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 Then you to. You know what call it means? Porn and play. Mukha silang mga enchanted na creature. Tapos, hindi mo alam na, hindi mo mararanasan ito kapag nilalaro mo ito. Yan. Parang ginaya ko si Glow ako maglaro nito. Seryoso. So, let's just can. Okay. And then, we're gonna plug this. Yep. Here we go. Oh, another one. There's one. Palit sak. Ayan. Hey. Op, yan. Dito ka. And, yan. Wala. Bagutan na po ng mga dari. Ayan, bagutin na ng darili po, guys. Ito na. Yan. Game. Yan. Sige, kayanan natin to. Hanggat hindi ito napuputol. Let's do this, guys. Malapit na. Malapit na, guys. Ito na. Putol. Ayun, naputol. Wala tayo sa simbahan, guys. Ayun, nabagot. Nabagot ko talaga. Wala tayo sa simbahan, guys. Ayan. No. Ayan na. Oh. Wala, manonood siya. Ayan. Rubber star line top up. Oh. Anak shoot ah. Guys. Pagpatay mo mukhang bastos oh. Oh, and na raw. Tapos kaya ikan. Hop. Ya. Bastos talaga. Sige. So, that's guys, our game, plug and play. So, thank you for watching. I see you in next video. So, meron pa akong lalaruin na games ni Gloco sa susunod na video na ito. So, thank you for watching us. My name is Shanke B. Flores. Goodbye. Tanga.